Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be going over the process of recreating my dust boot on my miter saw. So tag along and we'll get started. You can see what the boot looks like on the inside and how it's attached to my dust collection system. I've had some questions about how I did this. I know a lot of people on YouTube. These guys have these wonderful shops that have these immaculate systems with 3D printed parts and pieces. Well, I'm going to do this out of duct tape and cardboard attached to this dust collection. Here I'm removing the original with a small bungee that holds it in place and friction. That's all that held that to the saw itself. So these are the dimensions I'm going to create this new uh, boot to collect dust. As I stated previously, duct tape and cardboard is all this is made with, held in place by that small bungee around the saw itself. No 3D printing, no high tech. This is old school arts and crafts, just doing it with, as I stated before, just some cardboard I had laying around and some strong duct tape. This works really well. It helps direct that dust right into that shop vac system. Now, it's not 100% by any means, but it's certainly better than stock, the way the saw came to my shop. I refer back to the original multiple times just to make sure I have those dimensions correct. In this part of the video, I'm creating ramps on the side to help direct the dust into the chamber where it can get sucked away down the tube into the shop vac system. More duct tape, more cardboard, and just a little more time. Thanks for your patience. Here I'm applying the last bits of duct tape to this thing before we start doing the test fits. Now that we're finishing with the arts and crafts, let's put this on the machine and get those last adjustments to make sure it fits correctly. Here is the bungee cord going back on, and you'll see at some point here I'm going to just make sure the ramp that leads into the tube there in the back is lined up perfectly so the dust can be extracted into it. So certainly not 100% dust collection, but it's certainly better than it would be without anything. So thanks for watching.